Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring a Gumball Rainbow candy. Let's start drawing. First, I drew the lid part of this gumball. Then I draw a big circle like this. I continue with the bottom of the gumball. Then I draw many gumballs inside. In a moment, I will color them so brightly, like a rainbow. I draw cute faces for them like this. They look more vivid, right? Three little gumballs outside. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. First, I use red to paint the lid part of this gumball. I also color the bottom of the gumball red. Then I use colors of the rainbow to paint these gumballs. Green for this gum candy. And for these gums inside. Sky blue. Then I use orange. Yellow. Red. And purple. For this part, I use light purple to paint. Finally, I use white. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.